Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. On the screen, you can swipe left to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it, and here you will see the option called sleep. This option, and you can tap on it to enter, and here you will see the list of durations. Then we have auto, this is the default one, then we have 10 seconds, 15 and 20. Select the one you like, for example 10 seconds, then tap on OK, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity, so it should be quite soon. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.